Hi everyone, welcome back to Anmol Power BI Corner and this new series of how to learn Power BI. In this video, we will cover how you can connect a SQL Server table into your Power BI desktop, or we can say how you can connect a database from SQL Server into Power BI desktop. So let's get started. In our earlier video, we have already covered this get data button and we have already seen there are so many sources available from where you can import the data. But for beginning with, I will be covering the SQL Server part so that it will be helpful in the future videos that you can do the hands-on practices and you will have a data set available with you. So I guess you have already installed the SQL Server, and if not, then I will recommend you to simply go to Google and search for download Microsoft SQL Server, and you will be able to see download the Microsoft SQL Server and see this interface. So this is the AdventureWorks dataset which we are going to use, and this is publicly able dataset and it is officially provided by Microsoft. So if you want to download this, you can simply come to Google and search for Microsoft AdventureWorks dataset. So you will get this first link of AdventureWorks sample databases. So you have to click on it, and if you scroll down a bit, then you will find out these various files. So you just have to download these and put it into the backup folder of Microsoft SQL Server, and these are the steps you can find on the documentation. You can implement it step by step, but if you want me to create a separate video on this, then let me know in comment. I will provide you the video. But yeah, this is the dataset which we are going to use in our further videos. So I've already installed it. You can see the AdventureWorks dataset is present here. Now we will go to Power BI and connect this into our import this data into Power BI desktop. So I will just simply click on the SQL Server button. The first thing it will ask is the server name. So from where to find the server name, you have to go to the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and on the top you will be able to see the server name of your SQL Server. So this is Anmol /SQL Express. So I will simply enter this in this box, and you can enter the database name if you want, but for now we will skip and just simply click on OK. Now it will ask for the credentials. So if you have the Windows account, you can simply select this and use my current credential, or if you want to enter the database username and password, then you can come here, or if you want to connect using the Microsoft account, then you can sign in from here. But let's connect through Windows option. I will just have to click on this connect button. Once it will authenticate your credentials, a new window will pop up which will show you the list of all the databases available. As we have not default entered the database name, so we will be able to see all the databases which are present here. So you can see AdventureWorks, Challenge, Report Server, all these datasets are available here within my SSMS. So SSMS is basically a short form for SQL Server Management Studio. So these are all the tables which I am able to, all the databases which I am able to see. So I will be going ahead with this AdventureWorks. We can click on this arrow button, and from here we can select the list of tables whichever we want to import. So let's say I want to import a dim account table or a multiple tables I want to import. So I can select multiple tables from here. These this is the way you can select the multiple tables, and if you want to directly load the data into desktop app, then you can simply click on the load button, and if you want to transform the data, then you can click on the transform data button. Now what is the difference between both these, the load button and transform data button? So if you click on the load button, then the data will simply get loaded as it is into your Power BI desktop app. So let's say if you have already cleaned all the data in the SQL Server, if there is any requirement where your data engineering team is working on that, you are just getting all the clean and structured data. So in that case you can directly load the table. But let's say if you are getting messy data or raw data, then you have to click on this transform data button, and this will open the Power Query editor window for you where you can perform various kind of transformations. So let's click on the transform data button. So this will be the interface for the Power Query editor. You can perform various kind of transformations which we will cover in upcoming videos, but I just want to give you the overview of the Power Query editor. So this will This is how it will look like. Once you are done with all your transformation, all your data cleaning, then you can simply click on this close and apply button, and the data will get loaded into your Power BI desktop app. So yeah, you can see that all the tables are started getting load. It will create the connections. We will see this later, what is this connections and data model. So this will load the complete data, and I will show you how this will looks like in Power BI. Yeah, so now all the tables has been loaded. So you can see on the right we have the list of all the tables. This demo table we have created manually in our previous video. So let's go to the table view, and here you can click on the table name, whatever you want to see, and you can see we have all the columns, we have all the rows available here. So this is the way how you can import the data from SQL Server into Power BI. In our next video we will see how you can transform the data, and I will walk you through the interface of Power Query Editor. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.